We're already taking the door handles off, front bumper. We're gonna wrap this car. We're not removing the back bumper, but we went ahead and we have to take the back tail lights off on this 2018 E43 AMG. It's pretty straightforward. So if you take a look, I took this plastic trim off. It just pops up, and there's 2 clips on each end. You just pop it out. It sits underneath this cover, so you want to lift it up, pull it out, you put it to the side. We took the trims off on the side to be able to wrap all the way around the bumper. This trim right here, you just peel it back so you can access the bolts. There's one here, one in here in this tough area to get. And after that, you pretty much just pop it off. And it's pretty straightforward. You just have to get this clip back here. The way you get to this clip is this little tab right here. When you lift the tab up, it removes that little clip that holds it in, and you just pull it right out. Attaches back here, 1 bolt, 2, 3, then it just pops right out. It's pretty straightforward.